Hi there and welcome to Unboxing Canada with a new box from Amazon. So this is the box we received from Amazon, and again it might be a surprise for someone, and we're gonna open it because the last box we opened we thought that this someone had something in it but he was unlucky. He was crying that he didn't have it. But I hope that in this box is something belongs to him, because the previous box I said it was something belonged to Ragad, right? And something belongs to Mama. But now this one here, something belongs to someone. Let's see. Maybe it maybe belongs to me. Let's go ahead. Go ahead and open the box.
Feet, Ria Chuni by Spectrum.
Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair.
Help You Out. Feet, Jonathan Robbins by Lionel Casio.
Put it back again where it was. Cool. Show it up here. Show it up here. Yes. Wow.
Waterproof? I heard something jingling.
After the Rain by Rex Lambo.
Can you show the box maybe?
Meme Park right here.
Smart watch.
It's a smart watch.
Meme
And then-
Park. Okay.
I think it might come with a charger, just like.
Let me take around the box
Night
here.
Out by Liquid.
Just show them how the box is from all the sides, right?
Meme Park.
Wow. Okay, let me see. Let me just take one more shot. Here.
That's so cool.
Finally by Lock Speeds.
Okay, go ahead.
I'm gonna just.
Here, show them here. Show them what you're doing, man.
Ew. I don't care about tape. Tape is not gonna stop me.
Lovely by Amin Maxwell.
Really pretty.
It was supposed to come yesterday, and then we saw the shipping. It went to Kitchener instead of here,
Yeah, it
Milton.
said kitchen. We were so confused. We were like, what?
Yeah. Then we asked for, we contacted Amazon. They refund us the money, but I guess we need to
Bad
call
Love
them
by
back and
Noel.
let them know that we received it, so
Oh,
we
yes,
can
it does come with a
pay for it
charger.
again.
Oh, it also comes with a screw
What is that? Wow, screw. Can you show
and
them?
this thing.
Here, the camera is this side. Here. Yeah.
I'm Just Good by Joni Grimes.
And the screw.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, now what is these?
I'm just good at caring too much.
This says to the world you may be
All Night by
amazing,
Ixon.
but one person type of person you may meet the whole world. And then it just says this. So now let's get to the watch. The type of charger it has is.
I Saw a Ghost
Ooh,
Last
we've never
Night
saw
by
one of
Lionel
these.
Casio.
We've never saw one of these chargers. It shows like. I guess this is where you charge it from. We've never used these, right, Bubba? We've never used one of
Show them the
Call Me
camera.
by Liquid.
We've never used
Never
this
seen
type
it.
of charger.
I never seen this charger. Anyway, no one can use it for the iPads, right? That's what is lucky.
Oh my god, this is so weird. I do not know how to do it. I think I'll just take this off.
Okay, so you're
I
opening
Don't
it,
Need
all
You to
right.
Say Anything by La Gang.
So that's it.
The screw. I need the screw.
So what do you need the screw for? Okay, you can open it
Oh,
here.
Hello.
Hello. All right. Let's see. Okay, it says hello here, and that's
Dreamland
This is
what was the time?
waterproof?
Wow. Can you? Why it's not clear? Right? It's not clear on the camera. All right. Okay. So let's see here.
Game. Look at the game.
Let's see. All right.
I Miss You by Love.
Okay, so I think this is the watch as you guys see. I don't see it as clear or not, but I'm trying to clear it, but it's not working out. Let's see. Oh, it's coming. It's coming. Yes, it's coming. So tools, games, calendar,
Funky Souls by
calendar
Amaria.
theme, alarm,
Also, there's a phone.
call. That's the phone. I think
Wait,
we
can
need
I
to
try to
connect
call
this in.
you?
Yeah, try to
No,
call me.
you're not
Let's see.
after. Right now?
Yeah, let's see.
Polaroid by Extends.
Should I call?
Okay, call. Let's see. What is it?
Insert SIM. Insert
Yeah,
SIM.
it needs a SIM card. That's why. So we got the camera here. We got the contacts. Okay, see how it is from here. That's how it looks.
Dreams by
Ooh,
Firefly.
guys, I
That's
think
the
I found
charger, right?
charger. There's a charging place. It's like a magnetic.
Oh, it's a magnetic. That's cool. I like it. Wear it in your hand, man. Let's show them. Show them in your
Dolce
hand.
Vita by
I need
Payrouse.
a screw.
Okay, why do you need the screw?
This thing. I think that's where you put the SIM card.
Oh, we don't need the SIM card right now. We don't have a SIM card, so we don't need to use a screw. Okay, give me your hand. Give me your hand. Congratulations, Ahmed. Now you're gonna do a lot of jogging, exercise, and you know, you're gonna disturb me with a lot of your calls and.
But I need a SIM card.
But you need a SIM card. Yeah, if I want you to disturb me always, then I'll buy you the SIM card.
Then buy me the
Fantasy
SIM
by
card so while I'm
Declan
at school I
DP.
can.
But you're gonna call me every
No,
time.
only every recess.
Every recess you're gonna call me.
I only have 2 recesses.
That's enough, Yani. That's not a lot.
No.
All right. Thank you guys for watching. By the way, this is Emmanuel, just kids game smartwatch. Quick guide. And here it shows everything about it. And yeah, thank you guys. I really. Okay, add me. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to our channel and watching all our videos, and I hope we continue unboxing things for you guys to see and watch. If there is anything that we need to improve, just comment below this video. Anything that you need us to add, to do, let us know, comment below, and we'll do it for you guys. Now if you guys want to purchase this, the link of this watch will be on the description below the video. You'll see the link to buy this one. So if you guys buy it, then that would be really appreciated, and that also would help us out. Thank you. Have a good day.